This is Rush to Reason.
I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it.
With your host, John Rush.
I'm not crazy. I've just been in a very bad mood for 40 years.
I already got a guilty conscience. Might as well have the money, too.
With him, as always, Dan Meurer.
If I thought you were my friend, I just don't think I could bear it.
There's no point in being nuts if you can't have a little fun.
And Cassie George.
That is so fetch.
You keep using that word. I don't think it means what you think it means.
Just when I think you couldn't possibly be any dumber, you go and do something like this and totally redeem yourself.
Now, here is your host of Rush to Reason, John Rush.
And I'm your host, John Rush, Rush to Reason, KLZ 560. John Rush, Dan Meurer, our producer, Ann, in studio with us today as well, and Cassie George. Don't forget Charlie Grimes, our engineer. Up now is Kurt Rogers for our Monday Mortgage Minute. He is from Affordable Interest Mortgage. Kurt, welcome. How are you today?
I am doing just fine. How are you guys on this beautiful, cool 85-degree day?
Yes, it's a little cooler today.
It's great. Hot in the studio, cool outside.
That's a good thing.
Yep. So talk to us about financing for folks like myself who have been self-employed since I was 22. And usually getting a loan means you got to do everything under the sun, including, giving up the money tree out back and hawking the first kid.
Well, as you know, John, a lot of people that are self-employed have really struggled lately to try to get a mortgage. But with rates moving, it's allowed some of the lenders to come up with some programs that are very beneficial. Some of them are bank statements, but the one that's really attractive is the way it doesn't require a whole lot. It's just called asset depletion,
okay, or
asset income. And what they do is they look at all your assets, i.e. bank statements, savings, checking, stocks, IRAs, 401ks, and they kind of put that money in a bucket, and they can divide it out a couple different ways, and they will count that as income. It can supplement your W-2 income, but you can put them all together, and it allows you to be able to qualify for a loan now.
That is huge, Kurt.
Yeah, it really is.
That is huge.
Okay, so those that are self-employed, first thing to do, give Kurt a call. He'll walk you through all of that and just determine what the best options are for you. 720-895-0500. So really what you're saying, Kurt, is in this particular situation, you don't have to go through as many of the hoops that you typically would as a self-employed individual.
No, and it works really well for self-employed because normally self-employed people, you got money sitting in different places and you can count it. But it also works for those people that might be on a fixed income or Social Security if they don't make enough, but they do have some cash sitting over here in a retirement account. They don't want to spend it, but you can count it as income. So we can give you that extra $500 or $800 or $1,000 a month to qualify to buy or fix up your home.
Got it.
So it works for a lot of different people.
Makes sense.
Good loan.
Kurt is mobile. He'll meet you anywhere up and down the Front Range. Call him and just have him walk you through all the different programs that are out there. Again, 720-895-0500.
Hey, Kurt, so what's happening tomorrow on Haystack Help Radio?
Well, it's going to be you and me.
That's right.
Because Scott decided to go play golf, so you'll get to do the show tomorrow with me, and it's going to be on insurances, on how to save on homeowners and how to save on car insurance.
Awesome.
And, why rates are changing and what you can do to keep some of that money in your pocket.
All right.
Sounds great, man. Looking forward to it.
Kurt Rogers, Affordable Interest Mortgage. Kurt, as always, thanks for joining us every Monday.